Welcome to CAD Concepts. In this video, I will show you how you can place automatic room length in just one time using YQPrime Plugin. This will save you a lot of time and you can use this powerful tool from day one, almost in no time. This plan we have, let this YQPrime Plugin, area calculation and table, room length, the command shortcut you are getting SDX. You are getting three options, click inside, pick point, select lines. And unit also multiple option. First one we'll see, okay. Let this click inside and just click inside the room. If you see here, you are getting yellow line, right? So end to end, it caches in feet and inches and you can place like this, your room length. As you see here with the same dimension. It will skip your text, existing blocks and will give you wall to wall, end to end X and Y room length in feet, inches, meter, millimeter. So right now we are taking in feet. If you see here, both in one time, you have to click inside one time only. As you see here, just I'm clicking inside, it will give yellow line and will place your room length as you see here. If you go manually, it will take a lot of time and possibly error also. And what about pick points? If you want to take pick points by two end, let this X direction, first point, second point, Y direction, first point, second point, and place like this. So what you have to do, you first take X first point to second point, Y first point to second point. Now you see here, you have option to place in feet and inches, centimeter, meter or millimeter. What about select line? If you have existing selecting line, okay, let the select line option, select Y direction and X direction and place like this. If you see here. So speedily you can place your room length without having dimensions almost in no time. As you see here, we have successfully placed our room length. Pick points, click inside. When you will click inside, it will give two yellow line X and Y. Same as it is for pick points also. End to end you are getting line like this and then you are getting length. Selection base, select your X and Y. It will show in yellow color temporarily if you see here. If you have close P line, it will catch particular selected vertices. If you see here, it will catch your X and Y vertices. So this simple but powerful tool will save you time and avoid you error. You have option to match text, your text scale. Let this match text. So it will catch your existing text style and scale also. Now you see here. And yes, if you want to change your text color, choose from here text color. And you can change like this if you see here. So this room length tool you are getting in YQPrime Plugin. And you can utilize this tool effectively almost in no time with 100% precision and will save you a lot of time. If you have already enrolled YQPrime Plugin and you want this updated tool, access in dashboard and download your upgraded version YQPrime Plugin here. Okay. Download YQPrime and activation key along with practice drawing. So anytime I update anything, you can directly visit your dashboard and then you can download your latest version YQPrime, and older version you can remove simply and paste new version to access your new feature. Of course, in case you still not enroll YQPrime Plugin, so don't take your skill lightly. Enroll YQPrime Plugin and explore 100+ powerful tool at one place. You will get plugin file, activation key, online complete training course and personal support also. So what you are waiting for? Check out the link below in the description and explore YQPrime today and save you a lot of time. I hope you got this video helpful. If you have any issue anywhere, must leave your comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in next video with another topic.